Hey guys, it's Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am back today with another video in the how to start a print-on-demand business, and we have already set up our Spreadshirt store, Spreadshirts, Spreadshirt store, and I wanted to come back and show you guys how to design a mug or anything else, because that's kind of what I started, the t-shirt, the mug, the journals. But inside your shop store, the t-shirt button is your design button. So when I'm going to take this design here, I'm going to hit the little pencil. So it automatically shows up on like the t-shirts and stuff first. But you come over here and hit edit product selection to see the other products, right? So here in accessories, you get the face mask, which you can turn that on. You get the white mug, you get the black mug, turn that on. And then you have the mason jar with the top, the camper mug. You have duffel bag, backpack. You have a carry-all patch, a canvas patch, fanny pack, cloth drawstring bag, lunch bag, eco-friendly tote, a few other hats, aprons, jersey beanie, pillows, cell phone cases, water bottle, mug, stainless steel, buttons. You have bandanas for the dog, mouse pad, and the last Samsung Galaxy. So we're going to quickly go up here and fix the mug. Make sure, everything looks great with the mug. So, forgot how you do it. Okay, so I'm going to hit done. So we have those products added. And I'm going to hit this again to see if there's anything else we want to add. Okay, so they have baby stuff, bibs, bodysuits, little beanie caps. Then they have some kids items, mainly like, little t-shirts, vintage sports shirts, and hoodies for kids. Women items, socks. They have socks. They have jackets. Let's go down. Long sleeves, maternity shirts. So the hoodies, the crop top here, and then the socks, and then of course, we have the men's stuff. But that is just how you go ahead and add other products to your Spreadshirt store. I am going to check on my other platform to see if Spreadshirt has a affiliate. I probably had one long time ago. I'll just probably have to log into my old account. But I still use my old account to ship out products time to time because I really still love Spreadshirt's quality. So sometimes when these other sites be acting up, I go right on over to Spreadshirt and I get it popping. So remember to check out my gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith and check out my courses and tutorials. And I know you guys are already watching this channel. Now my numbers have changed to the fact that 80-something% of you guys are subscribed to my channel, and there's only like 12% of you who are watching and not subscribed. So I really truly appreciate you. If you're watching, if you're new here, join me. Come on in the room.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl
to get along with. I love to laugh. I love to tell you guys everything that I learned.
Name is your business.
Yeah,
can be
I'm sorry.
called
I'm trying to mute this. But hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell to be notified every time I drop a video. I'm dropping videos weekly. I'm just super excited. And guess what, guys? I'm now monetized. Woo! I'll do a video on that later too. But thank you guys so much. And until next time, I love you more than love this vlog. Peace. It's not a vlog. It's a video.